Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this sew-in. Okay, so we are going to be using some hair from the brand Curlsqueen today. It is their light yaki texture. All the information for the hair will be down in the description box. So this hair comes with 2 bundles, and 2 bundles is enough, okay, as you can see in the intro. And when I get my hair, I like to go ahead and wash my hair. I like to use this Paul Mitchell clarifying shampoo just to release anything that is on the hair, and I shampoo like 2 to 3 times and then I rinse it out. When I do my straight styles, I don't use conditioner because I don't want the hair to be weighed down. So, you know, that's your personal choice. If you want to use conditioner, please do. If not, you know, do what's best for you, okay? So this is what the hair is looking like after I washed it. I just allowed it to air dry, and as you can see, here's a little up close shot. This example of me showing the hair right here, this is 1 bundle and it's folded, and this is how I'm going to insert my tracks into my hair. We're going to insert them in folded, so like a double weft. Now this is what my beehive looks like. Please don't come for my beehive, okay? I have thin hair, so please keep negative comments at bay, okay? Yes, I am aware of what my scalp looks like, but this is my beehive, nothing fancy, all right? Okay, so let's get into the actual installation. So when I'm installing my tracks, on the first part of the track, I like to sew through the weft. That may not be everyone's preference, but that's just what I like to do. So I sew through the weft just to give me a little bit of security, and then I continue to stitch. Now I like to sew my tracks in with low tension so that it's not super tight, and I like to keep my stitches close together so that the tracks are not loose. Now this is just how I like to do my hair, okay? Do what works best for you. When I end each track, I like to do this little thing where I take the thread and wrap it around the needle a couple of times to secure the track in that particular spot, and it keeps the track from lifting or moving when I need to fold or end the track. So moving forward, I'm just going to show you guys where I placed each track and if the track is double weft or single weft, and you'll be able to see that on the screen. So go ahead and watch these next clips to see how I place my tracks for this sew-in. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like completely sewn in, and I'm 5'4½", so if you're interested in this length, you can kind of see where the hair stops on me. But yes, that is it as far as sewing the hair in. Okay, so this is the next day, and I went ahead and flat ironed my hair. I flat ironed my hair on 410 degrees with my babyless flat iron. And so I knew that I wanted to create some face framing layers. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some of my natural hair. It needs to be cut anyways. As you can see, it's dead on the ends, but I'm cutting some face framing layers around my face. And then after I cut my natural hair, I just went ahead and lined my natural hair up with the extensions and started to cut in a downwards motion. Now, I am not a professional as far as when it comes to cutting hair, but this is just what I did. So I just wanted to show you guys how I proceeded to do that. I just take my scissors and I freehand my cuts. I have some experience cutting my own hair, so I know how to do that. I just freehand my cuts and cut down and cut in sections. I cut some layers higher up, and then I cut a middle layer, and then I just kind of frame the bottom. And the reason why I wanted to cut layers into my hair is because this is straight hair and the curls do eventually fall, but when they fall and you have layers, the layers help give the hair body. So that's why I love to cut layers into my straight hair. So if you're thinking about going with a straight hair texture and you want some body and you want your hair to have a little bit of movement after you curl it, layers is the way to go. So after I cut my layers into my hair, I'm now going to go ahead and curl my hair. This is the curling iron I'm using. I'll put the information on the screen. I'm going to be using some Got2b spray and the curling iron. So I just like to spray my hair, brush the spray through my hair, and then I like to go ahead and curl my hair. I'm curling everything away from my face, and then I hold the curl for about 10 seconds, and then I release the curl and I pin it. I'm going to count how many curls I have and put it on the screen so you guys, can know how many curls I put on each side of my head. How I curled my hair on one side, I repeated it and curled it on the other side. So the same amount of curls are on the other side of my head. Okay, so this is later on in the day. I probably had these curls in for about 2 hours, and I wanted to try and keep the curls in as long as possible just to see how long the hair will actually hold a curl. Now, like I said earlier, this is straight hair, so straight hair is not going to hold a curl like a body wave or something like that. However, I do still like the texture of this hair, which is the Light Yaki. And also remember, since I cut the layers into my hair, with me curling my hair, it's going to hold a better shape and give the hair more body even after the curls fall. I actually love the way the hair looks after the curls fall. I'll show you a picture so you can see, and I really feel like those layers are key. So if you want movement and body in your hair and you choose to go with a straight texture, I highly suggest that you cut some sort of layers into your style. Okay, so this is later that day, and you can see that the curls have fallen, but the hair still has a little bit of body to it. And this is the example I was talking about when I was saying if you cut the layers into your hair, then you'll still have some body even though the curls fall. Now this is at the end of the night and the curls are gone. Okay, but like I said, this is straight hair. Okay, so don't expect it to be like body wave, but cut those layers. All right, and now I just want to show you guys what I was doing to my hair at night. But let me tell you, these flexi rods are worth nothing, okay? Because when I tell you that these things fell out of my head, now I attempted this 2 nights in a row, and for 2 nights in a row, once I woke up, they were just the rollers were out. Okay, I'm definitely returning these. All right, so instead of doing that, the next night I just put all of my hair under my satin bonnet and went to sleep. Now in these next couple of clips, I'm just showing you what my hair looked like after some days. Now I did not choose to recurl it again because I haven't been going anywhere. It's cold in LA and I'm not doing anything, but I did go ahead and just straighten my leave out because those flexi rods tore my leave out up. Okay, when I go out, I am going to recurl my hair. I'm going to Atlanta, so I will be curling my hair when I go out there. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are willing to try this hair, let me know down in the comment section. And thank you to Curlsqueen for sending over this beautiful hair, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.